everyone. We are back with a brand new video from Samasthiti. Wish you all a very happy new year.
All of you have a fantastic 2021 ahead.
It's definitely been a fantastic beginning, Ravi. The markets are at an all-time high.
Yes.
And it's just been a crazy ride.
Yeah, it just keep going higher and higher.
Yes, and all the investors are, of course, extremely happy and enthusiastic. All their investments are looking good right now.
Yeah.
And isn't that why we all invest, Ravi, to see our money grow over time?
Yes.
But I think, Ravi, it's also a time to sort of, sit back and exercise some caution because we must acknowledge that markets are volatile. Today they are at an all-time high. Tomorrow they might be at an all-time low.
Yeah, I think you're absolutely right, Soumya. These are just phases. I think we shouldn't read too much into this. When the markets are going up, we say it's a bull market, and when the markets are falling, we say it's a bear market. I think it's really like a zoo out there. Fortunately, with only two animals.
And the
you know,
rest of us.
yes. I think Soumya, through all these ups and downs, what should really remain constant, is our investing behavior.
Behavior, Ravi, I think you have really hit the nail on its head because behavior is something that is going to govern your success in the investment journey much more than knowledge. And that reminds me of this fantastic lady, Ravi, Grace Bronner. We often talk about her in Samasthiti because she's such a good case study. Grace Bronner was a secretary all her life. She had very humble background, and it was nobody knew her, and it was only at the time of her death that people came to know her because she had left $7 million to charity.
That's a lot of money.
I know, and this didn't come from gambling or robbing a bank. It was something as simple as taking a part of your humble savings and investing it diligently year on year. Little by little, her wealth grew, and she was able to amass all of this wealth just through some discipline and consistency.
Wow, I think that's a really nice story, Soumya, with so many messages for all of us there. And I think with the markets touching all-time highs and being in this bullish phase, there are two things that we should be careful of. The first thing, Soumya, I think we are seeing all our investments in profit, and there can be a tendency to book those profits by selling those investments.
Yeah, don't ever do that and then use all your profits to go on a trip to Hawaii.
Yeah, don't do that. Make compounding work for you like it worked for Grace Bronner.
Definitely, yes.
And I think the second thing that you should be really careful about is, markets have been very rewarding, and you're seeing all your investments in profits, and there can be this temptation to invest into even riskier assets. I think you shouldn't do that.
Absolutely, Ravi. I think those are really important takeaways, and what we might be trying to tell you might sound boring, but it's the key to your attainment of your financial goals in life. So
Yep.
stay put, be disciplined, and keep your SIPs intact.
Absolutely, good advice is always boring, and through all the ups and downs, in the long run, what the market rewards most, is discipline and patience. So stay put. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.
Bye bye.
Bye.